Hello friends, welcome back. In today's class, today we'll continue with the same topic, active and passive. In the previous class, I taught you about the present and the past. Today I'll continue with the same for the future and the other tenses, how they convert into the passive. Okay, so note it down and get started. So children, in the future tense, very first we'll talk about the active voice and the passive voice. What are the rule to make the active of the tense? We use will, shall plus first form of the verb. And to convert into the passive, the rules are will, shall plus be with the third form of the verb. Already I told you in the passive, always we use the third form of the verb. Okay. So for example, when I say Shaurya will help Shubhank with his project. Shubhank will be helped by Shaurya with his project work. Okay, this is the rule for the active of the future simple. The future continuous, the rules are will be, shall be plus ing with the first form. But here we have no passive voice of this. In the future perfect tense, the rules, if you remember the tense chart, I gave you will have plus shall have with the third form of the verb. But when we make the passive of future perfect, the rules are will have, shall have plus been plus third form of the verb. So here we have Arya will have accepted the offer. Okay, what will be the passive? The offer will have been accepted by Arya. Okay, the offer will have been accepted by Arya. Now to continue with the future perfect continuous, as I already told, no passive voice for the future perfect continuous. Okay, only in the rarely cases we have. So here we'll write no passive voice. Okay, future perfect continuous, no passive voice. Now we'll talk about the other sentences like interrogative sentences. Okay, what are the rules for the interrogative sentences? Children, it is so simple. For the interrogative, no change only. See, for example, when will he lock the door? When will he lock the door? First you try to recognize the sentence. When will? So here only will is coming with the first form of the verb. So it is simple present tense. The rules are will be, shall be plus the third form of the verb. But in interrogative, the interrogative word which is used in the very first, it will remain the same and the rest rules will be the same. We will convert the object as a subject and subject as a object. For example, when will the door be locked by him? When will the door be locked by him? Okay, for example, the another sentence you see, why could he not read the lesson? Why could he not read the lesson? Here we use the models. In the models, I'll let you know what to do in the next. Why could he not read the lesson? Okay, so this is the interrogative word will remain the same and could will followed by be. Why could the lesson be not read by him? Why could the lesson be not read by him? It will be the passive of. Now for the others will depend on the others. For example, imperative sentence. I hope you remember what are the imperative sentence. Imperative sentences are the sentences where we have request, order, command. Okay, so shut the door. Here we don't have any subject. Okay, shut the door, obviously understood. There is a hidden subject that somebody was told to shut the door. Okay, either you are requested or you shut the door. So shut the door. Here when you have the imperative sentence, keep it in mind, we can use imperative sentence in two ways. Either we can use let plus object plus be or should plus object plus be. I told you nothing you need to do, only you read the chart, remember the chart and follow the chart only as it is given to you. Okay, nothing else, no need to rack your brain. Shut the door. So it can be converted into the passive in two ways. Let the door be shut. Okay, let the door be shut by you. Let the door be shut by someone, or you close it up to here only. Let the door be shut, or the door should be shut. Okay, I forget let object plus be. So let the door be shut or the door should be shut. Okay, by you or by someone. If you want to add, you add, otherwise no problem. Now see, as I already told you, you can use in others, in imperative sentence where you can see order, you will put ordered. Where you find the advice, you put advice. Where you find the suggestion, you find suggested, requested. Okay, like this. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. So what will be? Let it not be touched. Let it not be touched. Okay, let it not be touched. Okay, here we use the verb third form also. Okay, verb third form also. Now see where you have the order. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. Here you find that here the order is given. So what will be? You are ordered to mind your own business. You are ordered. Why we will not use the third form? Because already we are using ordered, requested, suggested, or advised. So we will not use. You are requested to mind your own business. Okay, here now see the another sentence where you have a request. Please give me a glass of water. Please give me a glass of water. So request is there, so you are requested to give me a glass of water. You are requested to give me a glass of water. Now if you have an advice, or if you ask something like, tell the servant to prepare the tea. Tell the servant to prepare the tea. So what will be? What do you ask the servant to? So you asked servants, you asked servants to prepare the tea. Okay, in this way you will go for the imperative sentence where you have command, requested and all, and where you have the direct verb you use the let and the should. Okay, where you have a please, request, order, there you will not use let, okay, and should. Children, the last, that is models. In the models, if you remember, what are the models? Which shows the possibility, ability, prohibition, obligation, prohibition. Okay, here with the help of can, could, may, might, has, have, will, shall, like this. So what is the rule for modal verb plus be plus verb third form of the verb? The model will remain the same, but it will come with be and the third form of the verb. For example, you can do this work. You can do this work. So what will be? This work can be done by you. This work can be done by you. In the same, the another, he should not attend the class. He should not attend the class. The class should not be attended by, okay, he should not be attended the class, or you can say the class should not be attended by him. Okay, both the way you can write. It may rain today. Okay, it may rain today. So it will remain, may is there, so it will remain the it first. It may be rain today. It may be rain today. Okay, children, that's all about the active and passive. Bye bye.